Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at the 2024 model Mazda 2, a car that's been highly praised in the automotive world. The 2024 Mazda 2 is one of the latest examples reflecting Mazda's award-winning Kodo design philosophy. Kodo means soul of motion, and this philosophy is evident in the car's dynamic and flowing lines. The Mazda 2 attracts attention with its sharp and distinctive lines. At the front, the wide and bold grille perfectly matches the sleek and sharp LED headlights. This combination gives the car an aggressive and sporty stance. The large Mazda logo in the center of the grille reinforces the sense of quality. On the side profile, the flowing lines and pronounced shoulder line enhance the car's aerodynamic structure, making it look like it's in motion even when stationary. The 16-inch alloy wheels emphasize the car's sporty identity, while the body-colored side, mirrors, and door handles maintain design integrity. At the rear, the LED taillights offer a modern look and high visibility during night drives. Additionally, the sporty bumper and dual exhaust outlets complete the car's dynamic nature. The Mazda 2 offers a customizable exterior design with various color options. Colors like bright red, pearl white, and metallic gray give the car different characters. Each color option adds a unique flair to the vehicle, making the Mazda 2 appealing to various tastes. Moreover, chrome details on the lower part of the doors and sporty side skirts make the design even more attractive. The interior of the Mazda 2 stands out with its high-quality materials and ergonomic design. As you step inside, you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit. The center console is designed for easy access to all control elements. The 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system is placed at the top of the dashboard, allowing you to use it without taking your eyes off the road. The seats are designed to provide maximum comfort even on long journeys. Soft touch surfaces and leather upholstery create a luxurious feel in the interior. The front seats offer a heating function for extra comfort during winter months, and the height-adjustable driver's seat ensures an ideal sitting position for every driver. In the rear seats, ample head and legroom ensure a comfortable journey for passengers. The soft-touch surfaces in the cabin give a premium feel, while carefully placed chrome details and elegant stitching enhance the design. Despite being a compact car, the Mazda 2 offers a spacious interior. The trunk space is sufficient for daily use, with a 280-liter capacity ideal for shopping and short trips. Additionally, the 60-40 split-folding rear seats increase the trunk space, providing practical use. There are plenty of storage spaces inside. Door pockets, center console compartments, and the glove box help you keep your small items organized. The Mazda 2 is also rich in technological equipment. The 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. This allows you to easily integrate your smartphone with the car system, listen to music, use navigation, and make calls comfortably. The voice command system and Bluetooth connectivity are among the features that enhance the user experience. The infotainment system has a fast and user-friendly interface. The navigation system, with detailed maps and live traffic information, makes your journeys easier. Additionally, the voice command feature allows you to control various functions without taking your hands off the wheel. The voice command system is particularly useful when making phone calls or playing music. Technological equipment in the Mazda 2 includes a rear-view camera and parking sensors, making parking maneuvers easier and increasing safety. Automatic climate control maintains the desired cabin temperature for a comfortable drive. Also, the keyless entry and start system makes using the car more practical. The wireless charging unit allows you to charge your mobile devices without using cables, preventing cable clutter in the cabin and providing a more organized environment. Additionally, the premium sound system takes your music enjoyment to the next level, offering crystal clear sound quality to make your journeys more enjoyable. The 2024 Mazda 2 is available with a 1.5-liter Skyactiv G petrol engine option. This engine produces 115 horsepower and a 140 Nm of torque. Mazda's Skyactiv technology increases performance and fuel efficiency through a high compression ratio. The Skyactiv G engine stands out with its high compression ratio and low internal friction. This engine strikes a perfect balance between performance and efficiency, offering an impressive experience in both city and and highway driving. In terms of transmission options, the Mazda 2 comes with a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The manual transmission is an ideal choice for those who enjoy sporty driving. Gear shifts are precise and short, providing a direct driving feel. The manual transmission allows you to utilize the engine's full potential, offering a more dynamic driving experience. The automatic transmission, on the other hand, is a perfect choice for drivers seeking comfort and ease of use. The 6-speed automatic transmission performs gear shifts so smoothly that they are almost imperceptible. This transmission offers a comfortable drive in city traffic and efficient performance at high speeds on the highway. Additionally, the sport mode of the automatic transmission enhances the dynamic driving experience with more aggressive gear shifts. The Mazda 2 also stands out with its driving dynamics and safety features. The G-Vectoring Control Plus system provides better cornering grip and stability. Safety systems such as electronic stability control, traction control system, and emergency brake assist increase driving safety. The braking system and suspension settings of the Mazda 2 ensure a comfortable and safe drive both in the city and on the highway. Adaptive cruise control maintains a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, making long journeys easier for the driver. The lane keeping assist prevents the vehicle from unintentionally leaving its lane, enhancing safety. The blind spot monitoring system detects vehicles in blind spots during lane changes and warns the driver. Among the safety equipment of the Mazda 2 is the Smart City Brake Support with pedestrian detection. This system automatically brakes to reduce the risk of collision with the vehicle or pedestrian ahead at low speeds. Additionally, the rear view camera and parking sensors make parking maneuvers easier and reduce the risk of accidents. The Mazda 2 also stands out with its passive safety features. The high-strength steel body structure increases energy absorption in the event of a collision, protecting the passengers. The front and side airbags ensure the safety of the driver and passengers in case of an accident. Additionally, child seat anchor points offer extra safety for families with children. The 1.5-liter engine of the Mazda 2 accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in approximately 9.7 seconds. This value is quite good for a compact hatchback. The car's maximum speed is around 190 km/h. The acceleration performance provides enough power for city and highway driving, offering an enjoyable drive. In terms of fuel consumption, the Mazda 2 is also quite ambitious. It has a fuel consumption of 6.5 liters in the city and 4.5 liters on the highway. The combined fuel consumption is approximately 5.4 liters. Thanks to Skyactiv technology, the Mazda 2 offers both eco-friendly and economical driving. These low fuel consumption values make the Mazda 2 an ideal car for daily use. Additionally, the stop-start system of the Mazda 2 is another feature that enhances fuel efficiency. This system temporarily shuts off the engine at traffic lights or in stop-and-go traffic, saving fuel. Yes, friends, we have thoroughly reviewed the 2024 model Mazda 2. With its exterior design, interior comfort, technological equipment, engine performance, and safety features, the Mazda 2 is a very ambitious option in the compact segment. If you're looking for a dynamic, economical, and technological vehicle, you should definitely check out the Mazda 2. If you liked our video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.